You didn't throw it that far. It didn't make it to your desk.
No.
Where'd it go? Oh.
You guys aren't funny. I'm scared.
You weren't sitting where you're supposed to.
Oh, God.
We were wanting you to be sitting there, and I put my camera up. I'm like, he's not there.
You weren't there. What a bummer. Well, I just came down here to call you I came down here to tell Dee to call you.
You really want to put this game on, don't you?
Oh gosh.
I have it recorded, though, Leo.
266 Facebook. Oh gosh. Oh Jesus, yeah.